Right, going through the binomial homework, question 2a. In question 2, it was n was 8 and p was 1/6, so that's what always goes in here. That's our value of n, that's our value of p. R was 0, so that was n, that was p, that was r. Here's the formula: n choose r, p to the power of r, 1 minus p to the power of n minus r. Anything choose 0, remember, is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So the only bit of the answer you get anything from is that bit there, and it's 0.233. Okay, so if you've got that right, can you give yourself 2 marks? Part B.
Using the tables.
If you use the tables, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, you should have the same thing. You could have just read that off from the tables, and if you've done that, that's fine. So if you're doing that from the tables, you need to find the binomial table when n is 8 and p is 1/6, which is here. N is 8, p is 1/6, x is 0. Remember, this is less than or equal to, but less than or equal to 0 is just equal to 0. So there's your answer, 2326, if you've done it from tables, which would have been quicker, so that's fine. Okay, part B was just 1/6, so we got the same n, the same p, but now we have r equals 1. Put it in the formula, get an answer out, 2 marks. If you're doing that one through tables, you'd have wanted to do the less than or equal to 1 number from the tables, take away the less than or equal to 0 number from the tables, because that gives you just 1. 2 marks for that one, whichever way you've done it. Part C, more than 1/6. How do people approach more than 1/6? Anybody want to know how they did that one? Because you could have done 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, which is a long way around of doing it. Well, doing the taking away from 1, yeah, not timesing them together, but taking them away from 1. So, more than 1 is exactly the opposite of less than or equal to 1, which is the 0 or 1. So it's 1 take away 0 or 1. And because that's an or, you add those two together. You've worked out both of these probabilities already. They're the answers to part A and part B. So it's just 1 take away the answers you've had so far added together, which brings you to 0.395. So 2 marks for that one, 6 marks for that question.
What happens if we got the number of question B wrong, but we did the method right question C?
Give yourself 1 mark out of the 2 down here. Okay? Just go through the homework on chapter 7. So that was the first question. Any queries, any questions about that one at the moment? Okay, we'll stop that one.